Hello everybody, and thanks for joining me again. We have another beautiful wig review scheduled for you today. No, it's not this gorgeous babe that I'm wearing, but stay tuned and check out the video or the wig that I will be reviewing on this video. We'll be back in a snap. Okay, I'm back, and look what I have on. She is a short but beautiful wig, and let's talk about who she is. I am wearing Mae. Again, it's another wig from the Outre line. I'm wearing Mae in 1B. Here's the stock card. She's very simple, okay? I'm gonna turn around and let you see all of the sides for this particular wig. So let's give her a spin. Alrighty, hopefully you were able to see all sides of her. Let's talk about her for a minute. I tried to review short, medium, long styles for you to give a different range. So for me, Mae is just that simple wig you can throw on. It is a full synthetic wig. She is a full wig that is easy to just put on and go. Remember, we're all about efficiency on this particular channel with wigs. You won't see me laying down the baby hairs. I'm just kind of giving you a visual of how the wigs will look. For those persons who are interested in a short look, this is it for you. Stick with me to hear about the specifications for this particular wig. We'll be right back. Okay, so let's talk about our specifications for this particular wig. I'm going to bring it up close so that you can see the color. Again, I have a 1B that I chose. It comes in different colors. So you have, of course, your 1Bs, 2s, 99Js. You have your red copper, your red burgundy, your charcoal colors. So check out the description box below telling you where I purchased this wig. All of the details will be there. Support Black-owned businesses. Do want to say that if you're liking this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And I also encourage you to subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe to the channel, you'll get notifications of when I upload a new video, so you won't miss out. But let's turn the wig inside out. I'm noticing this particular wig does not have any combs in it. So the only thing that you have is the adjustable band that's in the back of the wig. So you would need to adjust it accordingly to fit your preference. So again, it's a synthetic full cap wig. That's your specifications. I'll be back with some more information for you, so stay tuned. My final thoughts on this wig called Mae. Mae is one of those ones where if you're looking for just the ease of wearing something, this is it. She is simple. I did bring a hat because I think with shorter styles and we're approaching those winter months, putting something on just to add a touch will work. So I bought just a little hat that I picked up, and look how adorable that would be. It shows still your sideburns here, but it adds that little touch to it. Look how cute that is. You can bring it forward a little bit more, and if you want to get real sassy, you can tip that sucker over to the side. Yes. There you have it. But my thoughts on Mae, she is absolutely adorable. I would purchase her if I were you, but It's your coins. You do what you like. But for the ease, for the efficiency, all jokes aside, she is it. She is big head friendly. I tell people I have a huge head. So if you see me being able to put on a wig, then I'm sure it would work for you. It's lightweight, of course. It's short. Yeah. That's all I have to say about her. Sideburns are absolutely gorgeous. I tucked some of it behind my ears, just to let you know, but absolutely love her. If you are enjoying the information that you're seeing on my channel, come back. I upload videos every Monday, so once a week I'm uploading. So hopefully you've been enjoying what you've been seeing. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and also give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Until next time, as I always say to my beautiful people, take care of yourself and each other.